Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to make your TikTok liked video privacy or private. How to make your liked video privacy. Today I'm gonna show you that. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and there you can see this is my TikTok profile, and which video you liked, there you can see go this love option, and then you get a this video, you get or you find every video which video you liked on TikTok. And how can you make this liked video private or privacy? Today I'm gonna show you that. So guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first of all, you need to tap on the top right corner three dot option. Here you can see this is three dot. So simply tap on this three dot, and then you get a option privacy on the second option. Here you can see this is privacy option. Simply tap on this privacy, and after that you need to scroll down, and on the down here you can see there have a option who can view your liked video, who can views your liked videos. There have a option, so simply tap on this red mark option who can views your liked video, and after that there have a option everyone or only me. If you want to make your liked video private or privacy, so select only me. That's it. Now your liked video is going private or privacy. Now no one can see your liked video on TikTok very easily. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this.